30,500. Do I hear 37,000?
37,000 once, 37,000 twice. Sold.
How a $37,000 auction deal turned into $1,425 per month cash flow. This property cost $37,000 at auction, and today it produces $1,425 per month in cash flow. No partnerships, no fancy strategy, just numbers, discipline, and the auction process done right. Let me break down exactly how this deal worked and why most investors would have missed it. I found this property on the pre-foreclosure auction list. At first glance, it didn't look special. Older home, needed work, not in a flashy neighborhood, and that's exactly why it worked. This was the kind of deal most investors scroll past because they're chasing HGTV properties instead of cash flow. Here's where it gets interesting. The property went to auction and I bought it for $37,000 cash. In Texas, that means full payment immediately after bidding, no financing, no inspection period. You either know your numbers before auction day or you don't belong bidding. The property needed work, but nothing crazy. Here's the breakdown. Purchase price, $37,000. Rehab, approximately $25,000. Holding and miscellaneous costs, about $3,000. All in, I had roughly $65,000 into the deal. Once the rehab was done, I placed a tenant. The rent came in at $1,425 per month. Now here's the key. This was not a high-end rental. This was a clean, affordable workforce rental in a stable area. That's where consistent cash flow lives. Let's talk real numbers. Monthly rent, $1,425 after property taxes, insurance, maintenance reserves, property management. The property still produces strong monthly cash flow. And because the basis is so low, the return on cash is what really makes this deal powerful. Most investors never see deals like this because they're afraid of auctions. They rely on Zillow instead of numbers. They want pretty instead of profitable auctions. Don't reward emotion. They reward preparation, discipline, conservative assumptions. This wasn't luck. This was running comps correctly, setting a max bid, buying with margin, and sticking to the plan on auction day. The cash flow didn't come from the rehab, it came from buying right. If you want to learn how to analyze auction deals, set max bids, and avoid the mistakes that wipe out new investors, make sure you're subscribed. I break down real auction deals, real numbers, and real strategies every week. And if you want help learning how to do this yourself, check the links in the description. Remember, you don't make money in real estate when you sell, you make money when you buy. I'll see you in the next one.